What's up you guys, welcome to my channel where I turn cars into unique builds. I hope you all had a great day today, and today I'll be editing a Lamborghini Huracan and I will turn it into a Morohoshi inspired style supercar. Okay, now for those who don't know Morohoshi-san, he's one of the most famous Lamborghini tuner in Japan, and he's well known for his unique style of crazy LED lights, diamonds on cars, and straight pipe exhaust. He's so obsessed with Lamborghini, he needed the money fast, so he worked with one of the most notorious crime syndicate in Japan, the Yakuza. Now back to the car build. This Lamborghini's name was named after a hurricane in Spanish language. It's also named after a fighting bull, as well as other Lamborghinis of course. It's a predecessor to Lamborghini Gallardo and has a V10 engine that puts out top speed of 325 km per hour. For the design of the car, I did a black finishing with red stripes. I put a Japanese samurai theme livery on the side of the car and also on top of the hood of the car as well. And I completed it all with a few of sakura petals. And to make it more interesting, I also installed a lot of LED lights underneath the car to match that Morohoshi style. For the side body kits, I edited myself from a Lamborghini Aventador, and the front bumper, which was a Lamborghini Huracan aim gain body kit, and I put 4G2 wheels, and underneath the wheels I put a Brembo racing kit. All in all, I'm making the car look mean and a bit of Japanese inspired theme. If you want to see more of my artworks, you can check out in my channel. You can also follow my social media. I leave the links in the description below. Press like and subscribe, leave a comment and hit that notification bell so you will be always notified on my next video. And for now, I see you in the next one.